Introducing CPSG's online training course in Situ Conservation Assessment. Today, species in the wild face increasing threats and challenges. Habitat loss, climate change, and other impacts of human activities reduce and fragment wild populations on every continent. These small populations are at risk of disappearing due to unforeseen natural and human catastrophes, genetic problems such as inbreeding, and other random events. This can lead to a feedback loop known as the extinction vortex and can cause the species to be lost forever. To combat these challenges, we need to consider all potential options in our conservation toolbox so that we can meet the immediate and the long-term needs of a species. This is best achieved when all conservation partners work together to share their knowledge and find creative solutions. This collaborative, integrated approach to conservation is known as the One Plan approach. Situ activities and experts have contributed to the conservation of hundreds of species. Iberian lynx, blue iguanas, prairie butterflies, stony corals, and several Hawaiian plants are among those benefiting from Situ management, breeding, research, restoration, and cryopreservation. In 2014, the International Union for Conservation of Nature developed new guidelines on the use of Situ management for species conservation. These guidelines outline a 5-step decision process to evaluate the conservation value and feasibility of various Situ activities for a species. An Situ conservation assessment leads in situ and Situ species experts through these steps to determine if any of these options should be part of a species' overall conservation plan. Now, the IUCN's Conservation Planning Specialist Group has partnered with the Nature Conservancy to bring Situ conservation assessment training to a global audience through a 6-week online course. Incorporating pre-recorded lectures, readings, and case studies from conservation practitioners across the globe, course participants will learn the steps and techniques for assessing Situ conservation options for their species. This course will be of value to wildlife managers and researchers, government wildlife authorities, IUCN specialist groups, staff in zoos, aquariums, botanic gardens, and wildlife rescue centers, people working with biobanks, and anyone involved in planning for the conservation and management of wildlife. Our aim is to equip course participants with the knowledge and skills needed to undertake a collaborative multi-stakeholder Situ conservation assessment, either as a standalone exercise or as part of a broader integrated conservation or collection planning process. This course promotes collaboration between the field and Situ communities to support development of effective conservation strategies for all threatened species using the One Plan approach. Check out our website for further information.